Why do you have this right here in your hair? Why? Because it's there. It's natural, okay? Your hair naturally parts right here. Every single person has a natural parting in their hair because the hair will naturally grow in a certain growth pattern. So for example, this hair right on this side of the part may grow downwards. And let's go a little bit closer so you can all see this. So the hair right in through here and your hair may grow down like this. And then all of a sudden, this hair on this side of the parting grows over this way. That is what's creating a natural split, or what we call a part in the hair. Now, if you run your fingers through your hair like this, right, and you bring the hair all the way back when it's dry and push forward, there, you're gonna see your hair is gonna split at its natural parting. And the reason that happens is, again, because the way the hair grows out from your scalp, it grows in a direction that dictates where the hair is going to fall. That's what that is. If you have a swirl in the front of your hair, or you try to bring your hair over one way and it always just sticks straight up, that's because you're going against the way your hair grows. So a side parting isn't necessarily a bad thing whatsoever, because I know of people that say, oh, I want to get rid of my side part. I hate my side parting, or why do I have a side part? Is there something wrong with me? Blah, 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 blah. Well, there's nothing wrong. It's just that's how your hair grows. I have done videos in the past on my channel here on how to get rid of that side parting, but just for content purposes, I'll help go over that again. So if you blow dry your hair forward, okay, or against the way your hair grows on a consistent, regular basis, you may train your hair, okay, to kind of go a bit more in this direction. But again, your hair is growing out from the scalp, right? It's growing out from the scalp. So when you cut it, it's gonna naturally go back to that. So in order to, go against the parting like this, you're gonna have to blow dry it, put some effort into it, use, what's a great tool is my anti-static vent brush. I have one right here, right? The anti-static vent brush is an amazing tool for blow drying. So when you're blow drying your hair, what you need to do is really, really, really concentrate on blow drying the hair downwards with the brush, okay? You're gonna be kind of focusing, and I do sell these dryers on my website and this brush, shop.thesalonguy.com. You're going to have to really, really, really work that hair down and away from the way it naturally goes. Now look what happens. Even on this mannequin head, look at that. See, it's causing a natural split because the hair is going, hey, wait a minute, we don't go that way. The hair doesn't, our hair doesn't do that. The hair just is like, it's gonna react. So you really have to be cautious and put a lot of effort into, removing that and working with that, that natural parting or that natural calic or whatever you have. Then once you do that, you can go in and style it a bit more freely. But even so, okay, look how the parting's gone now, but the hair is always gonna wanna naturally, and look how easy this happens, naturally revert back to the side parting, all right? This goes if you have a center parting, it goes if the parting's on this side, the hair pattern is really what causes the hair to part or the hair to split, okay? So it's nothing to be ashamed of. There's nothing wrong with your hair. It doesn't mean like, oh my gosh, I hate my hairstyle, then cut it really, really short. Sometimes another great way to camouflage something like this is to cut it really, really short here, but then to also, use a product that is going to add to that kind of pieciness here, or that kind of spikiness that you get into here. Because a lot of times if you go against it, the hair wants to spike up. So if you use a product, any one of my products would work for this, any one of my pastes, anything, you have it short enough where you're then not even showing the part, but you're going with the style so it looks like it's part of it. Instead of it splitting, it's a bit more textured and messy, but so is everything else surrounding that area. So there's a lot of things you can do to camouflage a side parting or hair parting in general, but just embrace it. Find a style that works for you, find a style that you like, and hopefully that'll help you. So let me know if you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.